So I have Hansel and Gretel Part 3. Of course the parents did not come back. "Don't worry," Hansel told Gretel. "We will follow the breadcrumbs home." But the breadcrumbs had been eaten by birds. They were long gone. Now Hansel and Gretel were truly lost. Hansel and Gretel kept walking. They tried to find their way home. Suddenly they came upon a gingerbread house. It was made of gingerbread and candy. The children ran to the house. They were so hungry they started eating. An old woman came out. "Why, children, how nice to see you," asked Gretel. "And see that the old woman. Please come inside and take good care of you." Hansel and Gretel leave their love. Got into the woman. She threw her all the housework. "Eat," one woman said, "but Gretel's blind. Every day I see if Hansel let me touch a finger bone." The old woman touched the. "I don't know. I keep feeding the babies so